Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your YouTube channel branding using Canva templates step by step clearly. To begin restoring your YouTube channel branding, first, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up using your email or social media. Once logged in, type YouTube channel art in the search bar at the top of the Canva dashboard. Browse through the available templates that appear in the search results. Choose a template that resonates with your brand and click on it to open the editing interface. If needed, customize the colors to match your brand's color palette. Change the text to reflect your channel name and tagline. Use the text editing tools to select fonts that align with your branding style. Incorporate any logos or icons that represent your channel. Simply upload them into Canva if you have them saved. Make sure to adjust sizing and placement to ensure everything is visually appealing and balanced. After editing, preview your design to ensure it looks good on different devices. Once satisfied, click the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Select the preferred file format, typically PNG or JPEG for YouTube art. After downloading, head over to YouTube and log into your channel. Navigate to the Customize Channel option from your profile icon at the top right. Select the Branding tab in the Customization menu. Click on the Change button under the Banner Image section, then upload your newly designed image. After the upload, adjust the cropping if necessary to ensure it fits well. Finally, click Publish to save the changes and restore your channel branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.